guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yami and this is my little corner of the internet, and today we are doing an iHerb unboxing. I have found so many amazing things on iHerb, from wellness to beauty to skincare, and y'all, I'm shook at how affordable it was. Before I get into what I got, I did want to thank iHerb for sponsoring today's video and just partnering with me on this. I am so excited because iHerb is actually a great company. It's like a giant supermarket of all things wellness, beauty, skincare, like I mentioned. And I did want to mention that iHerb does have its own exclusive line exclusively at iHerb. And what's really cool is that all iHerb products meet the FDA standards, the strict standards at that, and they do have a third party that confirms that they are top notch. iHerb also gives you a 90-day guarantee. If you receive something that you purchase and it just not work for you, they will give you your money back, which I think is incredible. That really truly means that they stand by their product and they know that you're gonna get something good when you do receive it. Another cool thing that iHerb does is that they have this really cool rewards program. Now, they do it in 3 different ways. The first one is if you receive a product and you review it, you'll get $1 for every review you post, up to $100, which I think is phenomenal. And then you can also get credit by answering some potential customers' question, and then if you get like a star on, if it becomes like a helpful vote, you also get a credit on that, which I think is really cool. It just makes it more of like a community and you're helping other people out in the process. I don't know, I just really think that's really cool. Hey y'all, coming to you from the future because I'm editing this vlog and I realized that I only mentioned 2 ways on how to earn credit from iHerb when there are in fact 3. So iHerb customers can earn credit off of their referrals, and whoever they referred will also get a discount. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so like I said, I purchased some beauty stuff, some skincare, some wellness stuff, and I cannot wait to show you. And make sure you click the link in my bio below to get access to everything that I purchased and to check out iHerb for yourself. Okay, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so iHerb unboxing, everything came in all at the same box, which I totally love. And then I also want to say that the shipping is ridiculously quick. So I was very shocked at how much affordability this site offered. And we'll talk about that as I go. But okay, let's just get started. I'm really excited. So first and foremost, I got these mild by nature unscented laundry detergent pods. You guys know, maybe you don't, but I'm trying to go more the natural route. I don't want to put so many chemicals in my body, on my clothes, like all the things. So we're trying to do our very best to take it one step at a time. And when I saw this, I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to do that. So this is just like the pods, throw them in the wash and you're good to go. Next up, I'm just gonna pick, there's so many different things here. Like, let's just do, okay, let's do this DevaCurl. So if you know anything about DevaCurl, it's extremely expensive. Everything here was so affordable. So I think for all of this, it was under $125, which is ridiculous. Okay, so this is the DevaCurl Deep Sea Repair, and it's a seaweed strengthening mask. I really just want to take care of my hair moving forward, and I think with this new cut, this is my perfect opportunity to just like put it into practice, you know? And I've heard great things about this treatment. This is not like an everyday use thing. This is more of maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks treatment, which I'm really excited to try because I've heard great things. Moving on, we have these Purity makeup wipes. Again, I want everything to be a little bit more clean, and Philosophy has the greatest clean ingredients, and I already opened this because I needed one and it smells so delicious. Okay, this is Mavala nail hardener. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm having the worst luck with my nails. This one broke like down the middle, so I literally had to super glue it. This one as well. These two are literally going to be the death of me, and they're holding on literally by nail glue. So I am thinking I'm going to get rid of all of my nails. Well, not nails, these are my nails, but I meant the gel that I'm having on top of them, and then I'm just going to put this as a base to try to harden these weak nails of mine, because this has never been an issue. And when I saw this, I was like, yes, and it was affordable. Okay, next up we have, should we just do beauty all at once? Yeah, let's do beauty. This is a Smashbox primer water. Y'all, if you compare this to other brands, like where you can get it, you'd just be shook. Like, again, I got all of this for under $125. And then you should see what else I have in here. But this is the Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. I found this new makeup routine that I love, and I don't want it to like leave. So I heard primer water is a really good way to kind of prepare your skin for makeup and then putting it on top. And if you've seen my life update video, you'll know that I just actually used this, and so far it's been, I don't know what that was. I meant to say chef's kiss. Okay, more beauty stuff. Eek! This is Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. And again, I just want everything to be hydrating. Again, I had no reason to buy makeup. I don't, but it was so cheap and I loved it. And it would be dumb of me to not stock up on one of my favorite foundations. You guys, this alone is like 50, maybe 50 bucks, maybe, I don't remember. But I got it for less than that, and it is amazing. Okay, next up, this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Concealer. I am obsessed with Laura Mercier, and when I saw it on the site, I was like, done. Without a doubt, always happening. This is amazing, and I just love the bottle, the color, everything is fantastic. Okay, let's talk bronzer. I got this bronzer, or this is the bronzer that I have been using rather, and I ran out. And so when I saw this on there, I was like, this is literally the best site. It's like a one-stop shop for everything. And so I got it. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It smells like a dream. Ugh, it's just so nice. And it's just the perfect summer bronzer. But again, the fact that I can find everything on iHerb is what really, really did it for me. Okay, this is the E.L.F. Putty Blush Turks and Caicos. Again, if you saw my life update, you'll know that I've just been loving the liquid formulas of everything, and I actually use lipstick as my cheek. But I saw this and I was like, I can't wait to try it. It's literally just like a putty that you can just rub your finger. Let's see if we can try it real quick. And then put some, cute. We should put it to the other side too. And I did my research, and this color was probably the best for my skin. And again, like, super affordable. I just can't say enough. Okay, that's all the makeup stuff. Okay, coming to you from the future again, because some of the products that I ordered are unfortunately not on iHerb anymore. However, iHerb does bring in a ton of beauty products, so make sure to keep an eye out so that if you're ever looking for something, you can get it at the most affordable price. Now let's do the wellness stuff. First I got this, which is an essential oil, which I was running out of. And let's see if we can open this. You wrap it really, really well so that you don't have any accidents on the way to your house. But this is the Now Essential Oils in Eucalyptus. I did get the bigger bottle because I use this all the time. I love to have a diffuser going in my house and also now my bathroom, and it's just the best. And then last but certainly not least, I got the Ashwagandha, and Ashwagandha, it is like part of the Ayurvedic, I can't say that word, practice, and it's really good to reduce stress, anxiety. But the reason I purchased it is because I just found out I have really high cortisol, and this helps reduce that. So I'll just be taking this, and I'll talk more about that in one of my next videos. But yeah, I'm really excited to start putting this into my healthcare routine and just help reduce those cortisol levels. I love that I was able to find all of this under one roof. Like I said earlier, if you want to check any of these products out or learn more about iHerb, click the link below. Well, my battery died, so quick camera change. That was the complete haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, like I said so many different times in this video, I just loved how convenient it was to get all of these different things under one roof. Don't forget, iHerb does do amazing rewards for its customers, so make sure to check that out. If you have any questions on any of the things I received, leave them down below, as I'd love to help you. Or if you want to check them out, they will be all linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, iHerb, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.